Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So this is your Walgreens preview for the week of September the 5th to the 11th. So most of these deals is for that week. So this is just the preview and things can always change. If there are more deals that pop up, say with IBOTTA, we'll definitely make more videos for you guys. So in case you missed it, yesterday I made a video where I was talking about some Dollar General deals for Saturday the 4th only. This is 100% digital and I think this basket shakes out to like $3.95. Some tremendous savings. Even if you're just a hardcore pharmacy shopper, you might want to check this out. Diversify your stores. Some weeks when the pharmacies are a little bit slower, you might want to start shopping at the Dollar General on Saturday because the savings are absolutely tremendous. I will link this video at the very end. So if you might have been so lucky on Wednesday, these started popping up. $3 of Walgreens cash when you spend $25. There's another one that's $5 back when you spend $20. With this one, I don't even know if I'll spend $25 to be perfectly honest. This does stack with one of these paper ones if you might be so lucky. These come out of the Catalina machine. Obviously, a $7 back when you spend $35 is a little bit better. But a couple rules for you guys on these boosters. It's valid from the 5th to the 11th, the digital one. They are of a one-time use. You have to pay for the balance of your basket with your debit card, credit card, bills. IVC and Walgreens cash do not use with because these are spend boosters. It'll just end up being really messy for you guys. Okay, guys, let's talk about Dawn Power Wash. So as you can see in the ad, it's $4.99. It says selected products, but typically whenever that one that's $4.99 is on sale, the power wash is part of it. So over on IBOTTA, and you're going to have to triple check that you have this in your Walgreens account of IBOTTA, there's $4.99 back when you buy two, and this is very generous. So grabbing two of them at $4.99, that's $9.98. I would use $10 in Walgreens cash, pay down the tax, get your $4.99 back from IBOTTA. It makes it dirt cheap for those two, and why use your Walgreens cash for this? Why not? And if it's $5.99, it's going to be a little bit more, but I would still use some Walgreens cash, and this is a product that a lot of people are like always wanting to get on the cheap. This IBOTTA rebate is definitely the way to do it. Triple check when you get to the store that you still have the rebate in your gallery. What a superb deal. Okay, I'm not going to type this out, but if you pick up an All or Snuggle product, there's going to be a $1 off coupon, dropping it down to $1.99. Typically, All is like $6.49 for one of these at the pharmacy, so this is a very good value at $1.99. This is also really fantastic to purchase 4 of these items and get back a $6 register reward. Is there going to be a $2 Tide Liquid Tide Pod and a Charmin coupon? Possibly, maybe. I don't know. But we'll definitely have to check it out on Sunday morning. The first one we're going to do is to grab 4 of the Charmins for $19.96. In your September P&G, there's a really goofy coupon of $2 off of 15. Utilizing one of those, you'll pay $17.96 out of pocket, get back a $6 register reward. It's $11.96 for the 4 or $2.99 per. And it's okay to use Walgreens cash for this scenario. Okay, guys, let's talk about Tide. Let's get some liquid and pods, a nice mix of it for $19.96. If you're so lucky, there's $2 coupons from the September P&G. You're going to need one for the pods, one for the liquid. I believe there's also a $2 printable on P&G Good Every Day. You'll have to print that one the morning of. Will there be any digital? That's what we're going to have to wait and see. Anyhow, if you can use $6 of coupons, you would pay $13.96, get back a $6 register reward, making it $7.96 for the 4 or 99 cents per Tide. If you wish to use a little bit of Walgreens cash to pay down your balance, absolutely go for it. Okay, this is also really fantastic. $5 of Walgreens cash when you buy 3 of the participating personal care products. We're going to look specifically at the Crest and Oral-B and then doing a deal with the Olay and the Oral-B. So, let's grab 3 of these products. There's a 3 off of 2 and a $2 digital coupon. This is what the $2 digital looks like for the Oral-B toothbrush. As you can see, it has a long expiry date. So grabbing, let's say 3 toothbrushes, there's a 3 off of 2 plus that $2. You're going to pay 4 out of pocket, get back $5 in Walgreens cash, making this free plus a $1 moneymaker. If you want to use your Walgreens cash to pay down your balance, you can spend it to earn it. So this will roll for this specific scenario because it is a buy deal. Okay, for the next one, we're going to get 2 of these Olays for $12. So 2 for $12. We have a 4 off of 2 digital, and then 1 either the Crest toothpaste or the Oral-B, that brush. Okay, so 2 of the Olay body washes is $12, and then 1 Oral-B toothbrush for $3. So adding that up, guys, we have a total of 15. We have the 4 off of 2 digital that's showing up on Sunday morning, plus the $2 digital that's already there for that toothbrush. You're going to pay $9 out of pocket, get back $5 in Walgreens cash, making it $4 for the 3 or $1.33 for each. This Olay is dirt cheap. And again, if you want to use your Walgreens cash, you can spend it to earn it for this specific scenario. This is dirt cheap Olay. Do this deal. It is fantastic. Okay, the next deal we have is with the Colgate, $3.99, 4 off of 2 digital showing up on Sunday, $4 of Walgreens cash when you buy 2. Hey, that equals to free toothpaste in my book. So grabbing 2 of these, that's $7.98. Load that 4 off of 2 digital on Sunday morning. You're going to pay $3.98 and get back your $4 in Walgreens cash, making it free. And if you want to use your Walgreens cash, you can spend it to earn it with this specific scenario. Okay, so this fancier line of the dial, it's called Clean and Gentle. It's on a BOGO 50% off. I'm going to take a guess that it's $5.99 in store. $2 of Walgreens cash when you buy 2. IBOTTA has a $1.50 back that you can do up to 5 times. As we're buying 2, we're getting $3 back with IBOTTA. So grabbing 2 of these gentle body washes on a BOGO 50% off is $8.98. I would throw in $5 of Walgreens cash, pay $3.98, get back your $2 of Walgreens cash, $1.50 times 2 back from IBOTTA, that's $3, making it $3.98 for the 2 or $1.99 per body wash. If you wish to use your Walgreens cash to pay down your balance for this one, absolutely go for it. Now it's time for the Angel Soft toilet paper. $3.99, $3 register reward when you buy 3. Grabbing 3 of them, that's $11.97. There's a quarter digital coupon showing up Sunday morning. Pay $11.72. Or I would use $10 in Walgreens cash and pay $1.72. I just think it's a really smart use of your Walgreens cash. And get back a $3 register reward. For this instance, if you wish to use your Walgreens cash to pay, you can spend it and then earn that register reward. That works perfectly fine. And with everything in the news with the price of toilet paper going up, I believe this is a really solid deal that most of us should be doing. Okay, so let's talk about this deal. $4.99 for the Oral-B 4-pack indicators, and Burt's Bees is included. Get back a $5 register reward when you buy 3. There is a $2 digital that's showing up for this 4-pack on Sunday morning. Plus, have this digital coupon, which is a 5 off of 2. Let's grab 2 Burt's Bees toothpaste and 1 Oral-B 4-pack indicator toothbrushes for $14.97. Subtracting $7 in digitals, you're paying $7.97 out of pocket, getting back a $5 register reward. Well, it shakes it out to $2 to $2.97 for the 3 or 99 cents per product. What a great deal. And if you want to use your Walgreens cash to pay down your balance so you're really not feeling this one out of pocket, absolutely go for it. Okay, let's talk about some quick honorable mentions. If you scoot over to your IBOTTA account, I have a free offer for one of these Pepsi mangoes. As you see, 4 days left, double, triple check on Sunday that it's still there, free Pepsi. We have the Lay's Doritos especially, $2 a bag. Use some Walgreens cash and laugh all the way home. Or use that $6 register reward from Tide and get 3 bags for free. And then we have the adult beverages with Labor Day. There's a lot of different incentives to get $5 back, $8 back. The manufacturer will send you back either a check or a credit card. You have to send them a bit of pertinent information after the purchase. And it is pretty easy, once per household as well. So these Walgreens bags are buy 1, get 2 for free. So the first one's $2.79. It shakes it out to 93 cents each. So that's really good. We have the Purex, $7.99. There's going to be a $3 digital coupon, so $4.99. Will an IBOTTA rebate show for this guy sometime next week? We'll have to double, triple check that one. Wouldn't that be nice? This one, hard Apple fail. Pass on this one. Usually they jack it up to $7.99 for one of these 25 count Oxy clean Arm & Hammer thing. So you're paying like $7.49 for 2, $3 and some change for that. Not a good deal. Do the Tide deal. As always, guys, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.